Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a huge opportunity coming to Stryve Realty on February 2nd. And what that's going to be is Become Google Great. You can see I have it highlighted here on my website. This is a 3-hour TREC CE certified course that is going to show you how to power your business to the next level with Google. We're going to cover a multitude of topics, so bring your laptop because everything that I train on is going to be tell, show, do. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to show you what we're going to do, and then you're going to have time in the class to actually go out and start to set it up in the do moments. This is a series that I have taught across the United States, across Canada for the last 20 years. I've been teaching real estate agents now since 2001, that I've had people add an extra $100,000 annually to their bottom line. This is going to be a big, big class for you. It's going to be on February 2nd from 12 to 3. Prior to that, Clint Blackwell with Fair Texas Title Fort Worth is going to be providing lunch to you as well. So it's going to be a big jam-packed day, great food, great training. Let's take your business to the next level, and I'll see you guys at Stryve Realty on February 2nd.